Good afternoon, traders. It is Wednesday, June 20th, 2018, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Well, the Dow tried to rally out of this big hole it's got itself in, and it opened up this morning and then petered out and ended up closing down 42 points. I think it's looking for a bottom here, but regardless, it's not in rally mode quite yet. We ended up closing out $3,200 negative on the three positions we brought in, and we weren't helped by this little positive open because we were long TVIX, which is like a short on the overall market, and so we might have done much better if the stocks had opened lower, but by opening higher, we kind of got screwed on that TVIX position, and we lost just shy of $5,000 on that trade, and that's what put us in the hole, $3,200 on our exits this morning. Well, that's the bad news. The good news is we had a really good day. Surprisingly enough, I look at this chart and you wonder why we had a good day, but we got into 16 new positions. 11 were positive, only 5 were negative, and we're holding $11,000 in positive open trade equity going into tomorrow. And we don't have any single big trades, but like I say, 11 out of those 16 positions were pretty solidly positive. So that's where that $11,000 comes from. I'll show you 3 of those trades. This first one is in ANF, which is Abercrombie and Fitch Company, and we bought that today, second hour, and it just kept gradually rising and rising, closed there near its high, and we have $1,700 positive in open trade equity in ANF. Then another good one here today is DNR, which is Denbury Resources, and we bought that, looks like about the third hour or so, and it just kept going very nicely. And we also have $1,700 positive in Denbury Resources. And finally, this was our best trade, but the pattern doesn't look quite as nice as those other ones. This is Intelsat SA. And this has been a really good stock for us. It gapped up hard this morning. We buy those gaps and we hung on to it. And I think it was up, close to $4,000 up here, but it did pull back quite a bit there. But we're still holding $2,100 open trade equity in Intelsat. So hopefully that thing will pop up again tomorrow. We'll just have to see. Anyway, pretty good day. Trader Bob's happy. I'm signing off. I'll be back here tomorrow on Thursday.